fires need oxygen. The more oxygen, the faster they burn. With liquid oxygen, they burn faster still. This biscuit is soaked in liquid oxygen. A piece of wood burns so well when it's soaked in liquid oxygen that it even burns underwater. But what happens if you can't increase the amount of oxygen? Aluminium foil won't burn, but if you grind it into a fine powder and blow it into a flame, it will. Lumpy custard? Powdered custard? Most substances, like hydrogen in this jar, need a flame to burn. Or do they? This is platinum, used as a catalyst. This can is filled with natural gas. As the gas burns off at the top, it's replaced by air coming in through the bottom, which mixes with the rest of the gas. Gas leaks at home are devastating when the proportion of air to gas reaches a critical point. There's a leaking cylinder of gas in this van, and there's a spark. Phosphorus has to be cut underwater, because if it's left in the air, it catches fire on its own. All burning reactions are examples of oxidation, because the substance that's burnt is oxidized. Burning substances are chemically combining with oxygen. The oxygen is an oxidizing agent. But the oxidizing agent doesn't always have to be oxygen gas. Potassium chlorate is a strong oxidizing agent. It's got lots of oxygen in it. You'll see the point of the coin later. The white substance is the potassium chlorate. Phosphorus dissolved in a liquid is added. When it's touched with a hot metal rod, during the flash, the phosphorus was oxidized by the potassium chlorate. The reaction was so ferocious, it was as if the metal plate had been hit by a sledgehammer. Reactive metals like magnesium can even burn in carbon dioxide, a gas which normally puts out fires. The magnesium combines with oxygen in carbon dioxide, coating the jar with magnesium oxide powder. The black specks at the bottom are carbon. But can things burn without any oxygen? This is sodium metal. It burns in air. But here, it's burning in chlorine gas. So if there's no oxygen, how has the sodium been oxidized? Sodium metal is made up of sodium atoms. Each atom has one electron in its outer shell. When sodium burns in chlorine, each sodium atom gives its outer electron to a chlorine atom. The same thing happens when sodium burns in oxygen. The outer electron is given to an oxygen atom. So more accurately, when something is oxidized, it loses electrons. Oxidation is loss of electrons.